Hey, if you're a carpet cleaner, let me ask you something. Are you sick of cheap customers who want the world for 99 bucks? Are you stuck in the van grinding day after day with nothing left over at the end of the month? Have you tried marketing, but it feels like you're just burning money? I've been there, and I promise you, you are not the problem. The system is the problem. Back when I first started my carpet cleaning business, I was desperate to get customers. So I sold 100 Groupons just to get started. And I thought I was being pretty smart. I was busy as hell, but guess how much I made? Nothing. They were all bargain hunters. Nobody left a tip, nobody ever called back to schedule another appointment, and nobody ever bought my upsells. So next I dropped $4,500 on leads from HomeAdvisor, and I made exactly $4,500 back. I was pretty excited about that until I realized that after expenses, I actually lost money. And at this point I had a newborn baby at home, my wife had just lost her job, and suddenly my business had to carry us. It was a sink or swim moment. And so that's when I made a choice. No more price shoppers, no more praying for referrals, and no more garbage leads. I had to build a system that would help me attract premium customers who wanted my service, that got me booked solid using marketing that actually worked, and would let me raise my prices so I could hire a team and finally get out of the van. And the craziest part, once that system was in place, I was able to move 2,000 miles away from my business and manage it remotely. Now I've packaged everything I learned into one course, Carpet Cleaning Profits. Inside, I'll show you exactly how to book $1,000 plus days without relying on word of mouth, how to charge premium rates without pushback from your customers, how to get found on Google and stand out from your competition, how to train your team so you're not stuck doing everything yourself. And this system's already working for cleaners across the United States. Marcus in Nevada was barely staying afloat when we first met, and 2 months later, he was able to start hiring. Dale in Indianapolis hit $10,000 a month in his first 90 days of business, and then he started expanding and moved to a new office. And George in Texas started from scratch, making $30,000 in his first 3 months, and is now running multiple vans. Those are real cleaners with real results. And now it's your turn. You can grab my entire system today for just $97. One payment, lifetime access, no subscriptions, and no hidden fees. And if you're thinking, yeah, but is it going to work for me? Then let me make it easy for you. Go through the course, apply what I show you. If it's not worth 10 times what you paid, I'll give you your money back. No games, no fine print. So what's it going to be? Keep doing $99 jobs for customers who don't value your time, or finally take control, raise your prices, and build a business that actually works for you? Click the button below, grab Carpet Cleaning Profits for just $97, and let's build you a real business, one that gives you freedom, not burnout. I'll see you inside.